Strengthening Faith 70. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on a large-scale project and how things were not going according to the initial plan, such as the estimated cost of the project increasing dramatically. Muslims should understand that making long-term worldly plans is not the wisest decision, as these things very rarely work out as planned. One only needs to reflect on their own life and their own long-term plans to recognize this truth. It is always best to plan on a short-term basis, as this is more achievable and does not result in such emotional or financial difficulties when things do not work out as planned. On the other hand, failure in long-term plans will lead to more serious emotional and financial difficulties. In addition, long-term plans always causes one's mind to focus on this material world, which distracts them from preparing for the hereafter, which involves using the blessings one has been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, as outlined in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. This attitude will only lead to difficulties in both worlds. But when one makes short-term worldly plans, it does not distract them from the bigger picture, meaning preparing for the hereafter. In addition, long-term plans distract a person from enjoying the lawful aspects of this world, such as spending time with one's children. They delay enjoying these things as they are too busy working towards their long-term goal. This can disrupt their relationships and cause long-term issues, such as divorce. A Muslim must understand that they can plan as much as they want, but ultimately only what Allah, the Exalted, has planned and decided will occur. So it is best to minimize this as much as possible, and instead focus on fulfilling one's necessities and responsibilities in this world, and preparing for their journey to the hereafter. This is what the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, indicated in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6416. He advised Muslims to live in this material world as a stranger or traveler. Allah, the Exalted, will bless this behavior so that the Muslim finds peace and happiness in both worlds. Chapter 16 An-Nahl, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.